So this technology allows a drone to fly over a crowd of tens, even hundreds of people and spot violent behaviour as well as suspicious behaviour. So this could include muggings, a fight, or somebody leaving a bag somewhere and not coming back to it. So the algorithm for the drone has been shown people doing violent behaviour. So in terms of kicking, headbutting, stabbing, holding guns, wrestling with people, it's been shown this and said this is violent. So if it's somebody who is sort of being beaten up, they'll look at them falling backwards and responding to that other person's movement. And also swinging. So if somebody is like leaning back to swing at somebody, it will see that as violent. Something that the researchers want to sort of weed out of the AI is to be a high five. It's seen as something that's quite aggressive to the AI. So it thinks just two people swinging, because essentially high five requires you to swing your arm at somebody and sort of coordinate the hit. The research was inspired by the Manchester arena bombings. The researcher at the University of Cambridge, Singh, saw what was happening with the Manchester arena attack as well as the Boston Marathon bombing and thought, we've got to stop this, and the way we can do that is by surveillance of crowds, because surveillance of a crowd, monitoring crowds, is a very difficult thing for police to do, because you've got so many people doing so many different things at once. So that's what spawned this AI. So it's kind of to react to those sort of terrorist incidents which do get in very populated public areas.